In the 21st century, the safety and health of our population, protection of our ecosystems, and perhaps even the survival of the planet will be dependent on accurate monitoring and prediction of changes in our natural world. The stakes are high. The mission of NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, is to meet these challenges by protecting and managing the use of coastal resources, increasing our understanding of climate variability and change, and serving society's need for weather and water information. In 2001, NOAA assembled a consortium of universities and representatives of private industry to employ cutting-edge satellite and remote sensing systems to meet these critical goals. Known as CREST, the Cooperative Remote Sensing Science and Technology Center, these institutions are doing groundbreaking work that serves Earth and atmospheric science worldwide, while tackling problems rooted in the region of the eastern United States and the Caribbean. CREST's lead institution is the City University of New York, the world's largest urban public university.
The Chancellor has dedicated 2005 to 2015 the Decade of Science. CREST research is the type of research that we're supporting in that it is collaborative. It includes undergraduate and graduate students, as well as faculty across the university and collaborations with our peer institutions across the country.
CREST at the City University of New York is supported by a global network of research partners in academia and industry. While CREST is a science cooperative center within the Educational Partnership Program and the NOAA Office of Education, it has also aligned itself with the NOAA Strategic Plan and the goals and priorities in satellite application and research of NESTIS, the National Environmental Satellite Data and Information Service. NOAA-CREST is headquartered at the Grove School of Engineering at the City College of New York, the university's flagship institution for science and engineering, located on a 36-acre campus in the heart of New York City.
We are delighted to have the NOAA-CREST Center here at the City College of New York. It benefits from the amazing record of achievement in both science and engineering. For example, since 2005, City College has had 2 Rhodes Scholars and 2 Truman Scholars. We are also the only public college in the United States that has 9 Nobel laureates counted among its alumni. Thus, the NOAA-CREST Center is able to build upon the strong achievement and the records of scholarship and education that we have here at the City College of New York.
A major focus and investment in the Grove School of Engineering is on environmental research, in particular environmental remote sensing, and NOAA-CREST is the centerpiece of these activities.
And the centerpiece of the CREST at City College is the Satellite Earth Observing Center, consisting of 2 antennae and acquisition systems that receive signals from polar orbiting and geostationary satellites.
Satellite remote sensing right now gives us a lot of capability. We are now capable of predicting precipitation, estimated snowfall, water resource availability for agricultural sustainability, as well as coastal water quality and air quality monitoring.
City College's commitment to technology and infrastructure has attracted a growing faculty of international renown to groom the next generation of scientists and engineers in NOAA-related disciplines.
On this, the blue planet, water is really what it's all about. We study the issue of water resource use and its management, and how the innovative use of technologies can improve our wise management of what is increasingly becoming a scarce strategic resource.
CREST is evolving effective algorithm and satellite validation for coastal waters. Such data is critical as population in coastal areas increases dramatically.
Just within the last year or so, the world passed the marker that now 50% of all people live in a city. Then ask, where are the cities? A large fraction of the very largest cities are on coastlines. So urban coastal is how you make this problem relevant to people. That's something that NOAA-CREST hopes to focus on.
This new focus includes frequent and accurate measurement of negative impacts by man and nature, including harmful algal blooms, which will be critical for residents, leisure activities, fisheries, and commerce. City College's LIDAR installation is advancing our understanding of harmful aerosols in heavily populated regions, retrieving and analyzing data from satellites.
We operate an extensive network of measuring instruments located on some of the taller buildings in New York, and we then combine these ground-based measurements with measurements from satellites. We look at situations which can give rise to pollution or give rise to situations such as harmful algal blooms, which are both dangerous to health and have economic impacts.
CREST at City College is testing remotely sensed rainfall retrieval algorithms for 5 strong hurricanes to aid the National Weather Service in predicting devastating storms.
If we have a subtle shift in the latitude zone in which tornadoes or hurricanes occur, all of a sudden there are going to be big cities newly entered into that zone that have never had to deal with that kind of weather before. Tornado Alley has been shifting or extending itself. All of a sudden you've got places where lots of people live and they have complex structures and subway systems and all this kind of stuff. And if you're going to get into a situation where the once in a 100-year storm happens every 10 years, that could be a problem.
Other global water-related projects at CREST include global scale modeling of water balance, fluxes in river systems, and snow dynamics. Satellites are being used to monitor health issues like malaria in Africa and Asia.
As humans struggle with a broad array of water-linked strategic issues like food and energy security, economic development, and more talk of carbon management, for a population that today is moving toward 9 to 10 billion people by mid-century, there still remain fundamental questions about the adequacy of the freshwater supply on Earth, as well as how will we reach out to policymakers who can engage in the design of sound strategies for managing this resource.
CREST scientists are also working on soil moisture, on land surface emissivity under different vegetation cover types. Through an innovative multi-satellite approach, CREST research interests also include the development of a flash flood warning system.
We have to study not only the separate processes involved, but how they connect together into the total system. There's going to be changing plant life, changing diseases. The urgency is it's going to happen fast and we don't know what's going to happen. The more we know about what the future is going to bring in the next few tens of years, either we can relax and say, oh, good, it's not going to be so bad, or, uh-oh, we've got to really prepare for it.
In addition to this wide array of vital research, NOAA-CREST at the City College of New York is dedicated to grooming the next generation of scientists and engineers for NOAA-related disciplines. CREST provides scholarships to recruit and educate students, especially from underrepresented minorities, for professional opportunities within NOAA.
Annually, we support more than 50 students, mostly graduate students at doctoral as well as master levels. And CREST has programs at all levels, as well as teacher education in NOAA-related sciences.
At City College, CREST has established a multidisciplinary earth science and environmental engineering major with a focus on earth and remote sensing.
Well, there are many earth science programs around the country, but we're really trying to put the whole picture together. But we're focusing on the satellite remote sensing and how detailed can we make it and how complete can we make it in terms of describing all the parts of this complex system.
NOAA-CREST is well known for its innovative spirit in technology development, in particular in the remote sensing sciences. There's much that this technology will be able to offer us, and we have an extremely important role to play, being at a university, in training the next generation of students to take part in these exciting new discussions.
The NOAA-CREST Center is part of what makes the City College so special. It combines two of the most important priorities of the college: outstanding scholarly research integrated with strong support and enthusiasm for the educational goals of our students. Its commitment to achievement assures continuation of its outstanding mission and will lead to new discoveries for a sustainable and healthier future for the global community.
On the land, in our waters, and in the Earth's fragile atmosphere, CREST at the City College of New York is blazing new trails in research and education to further NOAA's mission in climate, weather and water, and ecosystems. Our future may depend on it.